Welcome! In this video we will discuss the export and sharing options in PIX4Dfields. Once you have generated your desired layers in PIX4Dfields, you can export the results. To open the export menu, click on Export at the top right corner of the interface. The first option we will examine is Share. If we click Share, we can decide whether to share to PIX4D Cloud or the John Deere Operations Center. If you work with the John Deere Operations Center, you can upload the PIX4Dfields results directly. Sharing with PIX4D Cloud enables you to quickly and efficiently share a project with stakeholders. To export one or more layers, open the Layers option. Then, choose the layers you want to export and click Continue. A message with the different formatting options will appear. When exporting an operation, you can select one of the operations generated for the project. Once the operation is selected, decide which type of sprayer you want to use. If you have one of the listed machines, select your sprayer to export in the most efficient format. Next, you can decide what to do with cells that do not have a rate. After that, you can modify the prescription rates. When ready, click Export to export the operation file for importation into your farm machinery. Select the desired folder and click Select Folder to complete the export. You can export the boundaries used to define the field. If you export the boundaries as a shapefile, you can choose whether you want the file to be compatible with My John Deere software. When exporting annotations, you first need to choose the layer to see the annotations associated with that layer. Then, select the annotations you want to export and the file format. You can export the statistics of vegetation indices and the elevation model. If you want to export statistics from multiple layers simultaneously, enable each layer and export the file. The information will be compiled into a single CSV file. You can generate a generic report or set up a customized report summarizing the project. To customize the report, you must do so in the PIX4Dfields dashboard. The generic report contains basic information about the project and the layers. You can also export a screenshot of a selected layer including the scale and compass. To share the entire PIX4Dfields project, click Project in the Export menu. The final option, Log Files, contains all the information related to the project, the generated layers, and whether any errors occurred during processing. If you contact PIX4D technical support with a question, please include the log files so that they can help you more efficiently. Close the export sidebar by clicking on the X. We hope this tutorial video on sharing and exporting from PIX4Dfields was helpful. See you in the next one!